Any cash you have at hand in this present Nigeria economy faces these three bad needs. I love to call them bad needs because they are working hand in hand in synergy, ensuring that they reduce the purchasing power of our money. I'm talking about inflation, high interest rate from commercial bank, as well as the devaluation of our currency. While all of these factors or challenges are not just peculiar to Nigeria, do you agree with me that for that of Nigeria is quite on the high side? Statistics and facts show that the inflation rate in Nigeria as at 2015 was about 9.2%, but right now it is about 30%. And then in 2023, $1 was about 460 naira, but right now it is about 1,500 naira. And come to even talk about the high interest rate of commercial bank, it is actually about 15 to 28%. This is not to even talk about that of the microfinance bank. With all of these staggering statistics put together, the real question now is, how do we make investment opportunities, smart and strategic investment opportunities that can still help us rise above the tide despite the economic challenge we are facing? I'm talking about in terms of high return on investment. My name is Iyayi Buedefe. I'm the shortest distance between you and the right real estate investment here in the city of Abuja. I help my clients build sure and sustainable wealth that is transgenerational. So I would love you to watch this video to the very end, where I try to help you see some investment opportunities that will help you rise above the current economic tide that your money is facing. Why I may not want to talk about other investments that you may already know, but the question is, some of these investment opportunities that you already know, such as shares, bonds, and the likes of them, do they have the capacity, do they have what it takes to actually give you the return on investment that can keep you afloat despite the economic challenge and all of these factors I just make mention of? Now, this is where real estate investment comes to mind. When I talk about real estate investment, I'm talking about you being strategic in your approach. Like I will always say, it is possible for you to have money and still get it wrong while investing in real estate. Not to talk too much, we have had some real estate investment opportunities that were listed early this year, and as at today, this second quarter of the year 2025, they are already doing about 100% return on investment. This is just to let you know the capacity, the potential in strategic and smart real estate investment when you take advantage of them as at when due. Are you aware that as at last year, 2024, the real estate sector became the third largest sector in Nigeria after overtaking the oil and gas sector? So it is safe to say that the real estate sector has become a new oil and gas sector in Nigeria. And in this year, 2025, the real estate sector in Nigeria has been projected to generate $2.61 trillion. And for me, this is actually a huge and vast potential that everybody can take advantage of if you really know what you are doing, for you to build wealth for yourself as well as build consistent cash flow. So if there's any time you should ever take real estate investment opportunities seriously, it should be now, because more millionaires will be made in this year 2025 than will ever be made put together through the real estate sector. So I'm challenging you that in this second quarter of the year 2025, and of course in other quarters remaining, you should look at for strategic and smart real estate investment opportunities that you can leverage on to build massive wealth for yourself, to build strong capital appreciation as well as consistent cash flow. If you are looking for how you can start your real estate journey in this second quarter of the year 2025, or perhaps expand your investment portfolio, I would love you to reach out to the number showing on your screen, and I'll be more than glad to guide you, to help you, to hold you through the process while you build wealth for yourself. Once again, my name is Iyayi Ibuedefe. I'm the shortest distance between you and the right real estate investment here in the city of Abuja. I help my clients build sure and sustainable wealth that is transgenerational. Reach out to the number showing on your screen just in case you have any questions or inquiries, or you just want to know how you can begin this journey of yours into real wealth that is substantial, wealth that can stand against inflation, and wealth that can be able to hedge against the devaluation of our currency. So I'm looking forward to receiving your call or your text messages. See you in our next video, and of course, see you on the other side of wealth. Bye for now.